Hey everybody, this is Sarah with the Rope Dart Academy. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a Jade Dragon into a Half Non-Stall Overlord. Let's start with the Dragon Wrap. Make sure the dart is crossing in front of your body. It's very important to shift from your wheel plane to wall plane as the Dragon Wrap lands. You're going to use your anchor forearm to guide the dart into a rotation under your anchor leg. Use your anchor forearm to pull up slightly on the dart as it lands. As the dart comes down, lift your anchor leg to allow the dart to enter on your holster side. Pulling up on your anchor arm will allow the dart to continue rotating toward your anchor side as it gets thrown under your anchor leg. Your anchor hand will also be perfectly placed to catch the dart as it rotates down in front of you. It's very important that the dart continues to rotate as it's thrown under your anchor leg. Be extra careful that you aren't allowing the dart to pendulum out towards your lead side as you throw it under your anchor leg. Before we move on to the final technique, we're going to practice passing the dart under your lead leg and into your lead hand. Before the dart completes its first rotation under your anchor leg, toss it under your lead leg and catch with your lead hand. The dart should be rotating toward your anchor side. Great! Now let's add the Half Non-Stall Overlord. From your anchor spin and wheel plane, toss the dart under your lead armpit, catch on your anchor elbow, step your anchor foot toward your lead side into your opposite wall plane, catching the dart on your lead elbow, continue stepping toward your lead side and shoot the dart out. Now let's see if we can do that without any extra beats and without passing the dart into our lead hand. Instead of passing the dart from your anchor hand to your lead hand, you are going to toss the dart under your lead leg, under your lead armpit, and onto your anchor elbow. Here you can complete your half non-stall. It definitely helps to bend down low as you're tossing the dart into your half non-stall overlord. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.